Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa. And when you are craving for those soft idlis and that crispy dosa and that onion uttappa, what do? You go out and you get the batter and make it. And then what happens? You get those tough idlis, your dosa doesn't spread properly and the uttappa doesn't taste that good. So to avoid all that and to make amazing dosa, idli and uttappa, you need to know how to make the batter at home, which I'm going to show you today. So let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making idli, dosa, uttappa batter. And if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so that you get notified for all my future recipes. And let's proceed now. Okay guys, to make the idli dosa batter, you're going to need very few ingredients. One is this rice. Now this is also called as the idli dosa rice, and you can see how short it is and it is fat. And if you can't find this in your nearby grocery stores, then you can just use the regular rice. Only difference will be that your idli won't be as soft with the regular rice than with this. Then you're going to need some urad dal. Now guys, it's also called as split black gram, and you're going to need about half a cup. When you use half a cup of dal, you're going to need 3 times the rice. So you're going to need 1.5 cup of this rice. And you're going to need some methi dana, which is fenugreek seeds, about half teaspoon, and some salt. Now guys, what we are going to do is we are going to thoroughly rinse the rice, then thoroughly rinse the dal, and we are going to soak them for the next 4 to 5 hours with almost double the water. You're going to add this methi dana to the dal. Now I have already done that part, and this is what we get. So after 4 hours, this is our rice after draining the water. This is our dal after draining the water, and I have saved this water. We are going to use this water while blending it, blending our dal and rice. So don't throw away the drained water. So now let's start blending our dal first. So it's as simple as adding the soaked dal with the methi seeds in the blender along with some water, and let's blend it until we get a very smooth paste. And then I'm going to remove it in a big bowl. In the same blender, let's add the soaked rice and blend well. If need be, you can add water. So guys, the rice is now blended, and I did need to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water in it. And you see, it is in pouring consistency, and that's exactly how we want it to be. And now let's add this rice batter in the same bowl along with the dal batter. And let's add 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can add as per your taste, and mix it all in. And guys, if you're worried that this batter is too runny or thin, don't worry. Once it's fermented properly, it will thicken by itself. So after everything is mixed in, I'm going to cover it up and keep it for fermentation in a warm place overnight. My favorite place to keep the batter is in a microwave. Do not turn the microwave on. Just close the cover and let it sit for the next 12 to 14 hours. That is if it's winter time. And if it is summer, when it's hot, just 6 to 7 hours is good enough for the fermentation process to work. So it's been 14 hours and our batter looks great. See, it's nice and thick. It's fermented perfectly now. Now when you're about to make the idli or the dosa, then you stir it well right before you start the cooking process. So guys, this batter is perfect for making idli, dosa or uttappa. Isn't it just so versatile? Just add a little bit more water for the dosa because you need to have a little thinner batter, and you're set to make dosas. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you very, very soon. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on this subscribe button right here. Do it right now, and you can even click on this link right here. And if you like this recipe, I'm sure you're going to like this one. So don't miss out on all these amazing links. And guys, you can store this batter. Once it's fermented, you can store it in the fridge and use it for the next 1 to 2 days. So I will see you very soon. Take care.